Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error unhandled exception has occurred in your application. Error unhandled exception on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code in your system, then here are the process to fix this. The first workaround is right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings page, scroll down and click on Windows Update. And from the right side, click on check for updates, and if any update available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various type of error appeared. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button again and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to privacy and security. Click on it. From the right side, choose Windows security. Click on it. On the next page, click on virus and threat protection. A new Windows security page will open. Here, scroll down and you will find the scan options. Click on it and you will find 4 types of scan options. Here, quick scan. This will only check folders in your system where threads are commonly found, and full scan. This scan can took longer than 1 hour. So you will have choose quick scan, either quick scan or full scan. Choose any one of them. Full scan will take more than 1 hour time, so choose quick scan and click on scan now and let the window complete the scanning process. And after once completed, close the windows and check whether your error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel, open your Google Chrome browser, and here in search field, type .NET Framework Repair Tool. Press enter. Open first result, Microsoft .NET Framework Repair Tool. Click on it. And here scroll down and you will find a download link. Click on download option, choose a language and click on download. Now go to save this repair tool exe file on desktop. Click on save and now go to your location and you can directly open from the here. Click on top right corner download link and click on open Netflix repair tool. Extracting file, choose make the check against option. I have read and accept the license terms. Click on next. Here to apply the changes, choose next. The following changes to your computer may resolve the issue. To apply these changes, choose next. And changes complete you will receive, and finally click on finish. After that, close the windows and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system and here go to programs and features. Click on it. Here from the left side, click on turn Windows features on or off. Turn Windows features on or off will open. Here go to all your .NET framework related associated features. Make sure that all is enabled, expand it and make sure that all are duly checked. If you found it unchecked, then make the check against each and click on OK. Restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and here type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt windows, after blinking cursor, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification.